Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect Google Analytics with your Odoo website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here at odoo.com if you have not already. So once you've done that, we can go and log into our account. If you do not already have an Odoo account, you can go and create one. So once you've logged in, you are going to go and be greeted by the main page of your website or store that you're running, from where we can get started accessing everything we need. Here at the top of the screen we have the configuration tab, site, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to connect Google Analytics. So you can see here we have the website analytics right here. So as you can see, you can track your Odoo website traffic using Plausible and Google Analytics. So as you can see, once you go ahead and scroll down, you're going to go and be able to see what steps you need to follow. So what you're going to do is go to odoo.com/documentation and find this website analytics page right here, the left side of the screen under reporting, and you can follow the steps that you're going to create or sign into a Google account using analytics.google.com, and then you're going to set up Google Analytics for the first time. After that, you can go to property creation and you can go ahead and go to the data collection step that's going to enable you to choose the web platform and get started copying your measurement ID that you're going to go and be using for tracking an SEO section right here on Odoo from the configuration tab. And this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.